All right, what's up, everybody? Check this out. I took my little front piece off here because we have a surprise. So we ordered ourselves a light, and what's the name? 3W200? I forget. Anyways, saw a post on Instagram basically saying, you know, hey, I've got these lights. So we ordered this light kit. So it's a 1-inch by 6-inch, I believe, LED light that we are going to install on the front of this TW. So we are going to install it like this. So stay tuned. We're going to take these bolts out and we're going to put this thing on and test it out. So I'm going to hook it up to my bright switch, and then basically what we're going to do is I'm going to disconnect the plug that gives it the power so that my brights don't come on the light. We're going to hook it up that way, and we're going to see how this thing does as far as when I turn the brights on. So basically it'll kill this light and just be this light. So we're going to test it out that way just to show you what kind of light output it shows and whether it's good or not, whether it'll benefit you. Now take this for instance. I have an LED bulb in here, which they're extremely bright compared to stock. So we're gonna do a test on if it's bright enough having the LED bulbs. I know it's bright enough if you just have a regular bulb, but is it bright enough for those who already have LED bulbs, or do we need more? Do we need a 2-inch? I personally, after riding with this headlight, I think a 2-inch by 6-inch light, double what's on there, would be perfect. But stay tuned for my review. All right, so let me grab my screwdriver here. We're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy back on. So as you can see, I got this installed. Let's see, okay, come on. There we go. All right. So we got this light installed here. Now, here's the thing. It's easy to install, super easy to install. We've got this bolt here. I believe that was, what size was that? That was a 1/2. So I basically took the other one off with a 12mm. These replacement ones are 1/2 inch. So one thing though is, so here we go. There's that. And like I said, I just hooked it up to my brights. Now I disconnected my brights under here, and we're going to do 2 tests. One where when I do turn on my brights, it's just gonna be this light bar. Now, one thing you guys gotta remember is you've gotta adjust this accordingly to how you want to ride. Now, it can't be too high or you're not gonna see anything. Now, it's great if you're in the trees, covered in the trees with, like, I don't know. My dog's getting my, he's tearing apart this stuff here. Darn whippet. So, anyways, here's the thing. If you're riding wooded areas, you little stinker, right? Oh, the joys of dogs. I got 12 of them. So, anyways, you got to remember, unless you're driving up in the Quakies and like you got a lot of tree cover and you're looking for owls, I mean, go ahead, put it up. But we're not doing that. We're basically adding an addition to our light source. That's really all the extra lighting is, right? Is to see better at night. Well, if you've got your light too far up, too far ahead of you, you're not gonna see. It's just like in your car. If you have them put too far up, you're not gonna be able to see driving in your car even. So you gotta make sure they're adjusted properly. That's all I gotta say. But adjust them properly. Now, like I said, I've already got an LED bulb in here. You can tell how bright that bulb is. Like, wow. Still need to do a test on this, by the way, which maybe you'll see tonight, but I'll do a separate video on that. So anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna get some reviews on this thing. All right, so check this out, guys and gals and he/she's, whoever's watching this video. Check this out. We're going to go on a little cruise, honk the horn, start it. I know it's not all the way dark yet, but let's go test this thing out. Regular headlight. Got a base here. Alright. So this is my regular LED headlight that I installed. This is the brights and the LED bulb. Clean off my headlight there. Alright, let's go make a couple more rounds. So, regular LED, well, not regular, but the LED bulb I swapped. Difference because I've got it hooked up to my brights. That's regular LED with the light bar. Now, this is kind of a perfect example here. You can see the line from my light bar, okay? It's mounted. That's the shadow of the fender right there. So you can tell that light bar is shining right here, which is giving me a ton of light. All right, so here, hold on, I gotta pause this music here so I don't get flagged. But anyway, so check this out. I think with the proper adjustment of this headlight, this is a great addition. Now, don't get me wrong, I was nervous. I mean, the more I thought about it, that little 1-inch bar, I didn't think it was gonna do the trick. But if you have an LED bulb or JNS or any sort of other LED headlight, I think you can't go wrong purchasing this from 3W200. That's who it is, 3W200. Look at that, it's even all fancied up right there. But anyways, good addition. I can't wait. I'm kind of watching some kids, so I had to do it in my backyard. But yeah, stay tuned for some more riding adventures.